How to add voiceover to your Canva presentation. Hey everybody, in today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can add a voiceover to your Canva presentation. First thing you need to do is head over to canva.com and log into your account. Now I'm just going to go ahead and create a new presentation here. So click on this create option. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to presentations and create a presentation 16 by 9. All right, so once you are here on this page, what I'm going to do is import my presentation from these templates. So let me just go ahead and click on this one right here, and I'm going to apply all of these pages. You don't even need any third-party apps to record yourself or add a voiceover to your presentation. All you need to do is go to Uploads, and here you have an option to record yourself. So make sure you're on the first slide and then click on Record Yourself. Now allow your camera or your microphone access. So click on allow. And then allow your microphone access as well. Now since my microphone is being used by OBS Studio, I'm not able to record, but all you have to do is press this record button and start talking. Now just click on this record button and start recording yourself. Now for the sake of the video, I'm going to exit the studio and I'm going to import already imported my recordings. So here are some of my recordings that I already have uploaded here. So I'm going to go to audio and let's just drag it down below to my slides. You can adjust the length of the video, and once you start playing, your audio will also start playing and the voiceover will be added like so. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.